Hello everyone, welcome to Cooking Zindagi. We wish you all a very happy Diwali. Today's special recipe is most popular and highly addictive sweet Kala Jamun, and I am going to prepare this with khoya and paneer. There is only a slight difference between gulab jamun and Kala Jamun. It is its color and texture. From the golden color of gulab jamun, they are fried little longer on slow flame until it reaches a dark color close to black. Hence the name Kala, which means black. Take a saucepan, add 1 cup of sugar, one and a half cups of water, now stir and allow the sugar to dissolve in the water completely. Once the water is boiled, add 3 cardamoms, 1 teaspoon kevda water, 1 teaspoon of rose water, 1 tablespoon of lemon juice, which prevents crystallization of sugar later. Mix everything, and before syrup reaches 1 string consistency, switch off the flame and keep this aside. Take 200 grams of khoya in a wide plate. Smash it well with your hands. Next, take 100 grams of grated paneer, 2 tablespoons of maida or all-purpose flour, 1/4 teaspoon of cardamom powder, 1/4 teaspoon of baking soda. Now knead. If you think the dough is dry, add 1 to 2 tablespoons of milk and again start kneading to form a dough. The dough shouldn't be too soft nor too hard. Now pinch a lemon-sized dough. Roll them between your palms. Make sure there are no cracks. For this, apply some ghee to your palms and start shaping them. You can make any shape like cylindrical. Here I am making round balls. Also, if you wish, you can stuff them with nuts, which is completely optional. Heat oil for deep fry. The oil should be just hot enough and drop the ball slowly in the oil. Allow the balls to float on the top and then move them from sides for even cooking. Always the flame has to be low to medium throughout the cooking. Do not crowd the jamuns in the oil. Keep turning them and gently swirl them with slotted spoon so that they get even brown color. Continue cooking until they turn dark golden brown in color. Gulab jamun turns dark quickly, so always keep an eye, and once the desired dark color is reached, remove them and place them in the sugar syrup. I am transferring the sugar syrup to a separate bowl and gently dropping the jamuns in the syrup. Allow them to soak in the syrup for at least 4 to 5 hours. You can garnish them with nuts, which is completely optional. Our Kala Jamuns are ready to serve. You can have a warm Kala Jamun with a scoop of vanilla ice cream. I know, it's mouth-watering right now. You can also store them in the fridge for a week. Do try this for this Diwali and enjoy with your family members. Also, do not forget to let us know in the comments how it turns out. subscribe to my channel and click the bell icon. Happy cooking, Zindagi!